Aloha, my name is Taylor Hornburg. Recently, I conducted a research project pertaining to sustainable weed management practices for homeowners. This first slide represents my goals for the project, which were to determine successful weed suppression techniques using weed mat cardboard and then cardboard with wood chips laid on top. And I also wanted to determine cost-effective techniques by either using like recycled items or items that could easily be found at local home improvement stores. And I wanted to, very importantly, use non-chemical techniques for this project. The project was conducted at the Hilo campus. To prepare the project, we used a combination of weed whacking and mowing to clear the weeds and cut down to about a 1-inch level so that it was even throughout the three treatments. Approximately 10-foot by 10-foot squares were used to designate each treatment. And for the project, no space was left in between each of the treatments to prevent weeds from being able to kind of sneak in between each of the treatments. Weed mat and cardboard were applied on March 10th, and then 2 weeks later on March 31st, the cardboard and wood chip treatment was applied in the same area. For just like a general idea of cost of supplies, weed mat can generally be found at a home improvement store for about $12.98. Recycled cardboard is easy to find. There's no cost. With so many packages being shipped today, there's a plethora of cardboard that can be found and recycled. Mulch, depending on your area, can cost about $20 to $30 per yard, or you can make your own using yard waste. For the data collection part of the project, quantitative data was taken beginning April 7th for the weed mat and cardboard, which will represent the 4-week mark of the project. And 2 weeks later, on April 21st, data will be collected on the cardboard and wood chips, so that all first data collections will be done 4 weeks out from application. The data will then be collected weekly from the 4-week mark on. Weed density data will be collected in a 1 by 1 yard square of each of the treatments, including the control area. So for the first rounds of results, the data was collected on April 7th, and we did the weed mat and cardboard. For the weed mat results, there was California grass at 42.3 grams and the desmodium at 0.2 grams. For the cardboard, which is the picture on the bottom right, guinea grass was found at 48.8 grams, and then the California grass was found at 32 grams even. For concluding this project, ultimately, all 3 treatments, once established, are effective and sustainable alternatives to spraying chemical herbicides, which can be supported by the following academic literature: in the Handbook of Sustainable Weed Management, and the Microsoft Word document by Jadung, and then in the Weed Biology Importance of Weed Management.